Solution of this exponential equation. Three power x plus 9 power x is equal to 27 power x. We will solve it for the value of x. 3 power x plus 9 can be written as 3 into 3 power x, and 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 power x. 3 power x plus 3 power 2 or power x equal to 3 power 3 or power x. Drawn. Did 3 power n can be written as 3 power n. Am I right? Yeah. So we'll apply this formula. 3 power x plus 3 power x squared plus 3 power x cubed. Now put 3 power x is equal to 10. Complete with 4 to 3 plus t squared is equal to 8.
Audio Jungle.
Nobody. T minus t squared minus t. If we be single, I will be written t minus t squared minus t is equal to 0. Third taking t common, t squared minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases with noise, and we are equal t is equal to 0 or 2 squared minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. And quadrant to find another bit, right? A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, and C is also equal to minus 1. T is equal to minus 10 plus minus b squared minus 4 in C square root divided by 2 in it. It's minus minus 4 to 1 minus 1 square root dividing by 2 into 1 will be equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2. A is equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 1 vertical. And we have 3 values of t. 1 is t is equal to 0. Another is t is equal to 1 minus 5 square root dividing by 2. And third one, t is equal to 1 plus 5 square root divided by 2. But we have to find the value of x, where 3 power x is equal to 0. In this case, t is 0, which is not possible. There is no value of x for which 3 power x equal to 0. So, in this case, solution is not possible. Now, we will check the other two cases. Here, 3 power x is equal to 1 minus 5 square root divided by 2. It is minus. This value is in negative. Because 5 square root is greater than 1, it will give negative answer. In this case, solution is also not possible because there is no value of x for which 3 power x will give negative answer. So in this case, solution is also not possible. Download. When we take this case, 3 power x is equal to 1 plus 5 square root dividing by 2, taking log on both sides. Log of 1 plus 5 square root dividing by 2 x into log of 3 log of 1 plus 5 square root dividing by 2, dividing both sides by log of 3. The cancelled and where x is equal to log of 1 plus 5 square root dividing by 2 dividing by log of 3. So it can be written as x log base 3 of 1 plus 5 square root dividing by 2. So this is the only one solution of our given exponential equation. In other two cases, solution is not possible. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.